Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Luke, and today I've got another great 25 things you can ask your Google Home Mini. This is my third episode. If you haven't watched the other two, make sure you check out the link in the description, guys. But yeah, as always, I'm going to mute the word Google so it doesn't activate your home speakers, anything like that. But yeah, guys, let's begin with the video. Pick a card.
5 of clubs.
Find a recipe for chicken pot pie.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Classic Chicken Pot Pie from Pillsbury. This recipe serves 6 and takes about 1 hour and 5 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
No thanks.
No problem. To choose a different one, just use Google search to find a recipe on your phone and tap the Send to Google Home button below it.
That's a very nice feature. Do a barrel roll.
Here's a Spotify station featuring Do a Barrel Roll.
Stop. What's the loneliest number?
I would imagine the number quinquagentillion is pretty lonely. I mean, how often does it even get used?
Can you rap?
I'm inside a machine, so I can't technically breathe, but that doesn't mean that we can't achieve. I'm here to assist, if you get my drift, so let's have a nice time. I hope you like my rhyme.
Up, up, down, down, left, right, B-A, start.
That looks like the Konami code. I wonder if it'll turn me into a squirrel.
Who's done first?
Exactly.
I am your father.
You are my father. I always thought R2-D2 would make more sense.
Who shot first?
Okay, hear me out. It was a member of the band.
When did Star Wars come out?
Star Wars: The Last Jedi was released in the United Kingdom on the 14th of December 2017.
Did you fart?
Oh, I thought the volume was down.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
It's not my birthday.
From Google. Happy to you.
It's not my birthday.
Then I will not wish you a happy birthday. That would be highly inappropriate. I'll save my happy birthdays for people whose birthday is today.
Who let the dogs out?
I wish I could tell you, but that song never did reveal who.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Sure, the cold never bothered me anyway.
How many roads must a man walk down?
The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. But I'll spare you my harmonica solo.
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters? That would be my pick, but you can decide for yourself.
Sing a song?
Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling friend of mine. I'd have to search the web for a heart.
Stop. Sing for me.
I love singing. I love singing, I really do. Here I am singing a little song for you. As you can tell, not to.
Stop. Define cookie.
Here's the definition of cookie. A sweet biscuit.
Tell me something interesting.
Sure thing. Wikipedia shows that penguins can drink salt water. It helps them survive in places with limited fresh water.
Where can I find penguins?
According to Wikipedia, although almost all penguin species are native to the southern hemisphere, they are not found only in cold climates, such as Antarctica. In fact, only a few species of penguin live so far south. Several species are found in the temperate zone, and one species, the Galapagos penguin, lives near the equator.
How does a penguin sound?
This is a penguin.
Are you feeling lucky?
Game show time! Okay, I'm going to psych myself up now. Stay calm. Sorry, not you, I'm talking to myself. Welcome to Are You Feeling Lucky? The trivia party game that's all luck and half wits. I'm your Google Assistant, the host of the show. How many contestants do we have this time?
Just one.
We're playing solo. Get ready for 5 questions. As luck would have it, your random nickname is Hummingbird. Hope you're feeling lucky. You can always pop out of the game by saying stop. You might have heard this one before. Which musical instrument is this? A saxophone, an electric piano, or a toy piano?
A saxophone?
Nailed it. You must read a lot. Or something. This is question number 2.
Stop the game?
Are you sure you want to quit?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye.
So yeah guys, that was 25 things you can ask your Google Home Mini. As you saw, that was a loads and they all give you different answers. You can always have fun with them and there's just so many things you can ask. But hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you on the next one guys. Take care.